Today's our topic is real numbers. So our question is, without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. So here rational numbers are given. So we have to find these rational numbers are having terminating decimal form or non-terminating decimal form. So terminating decimal means what? Denominator. Here with the help of theorem we can check the denominator if by taking the factors. If the factors we are getting in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then we can say that, or you can also get only 2 as a factor or 5 as a factor in the denominator. How can we find non-terminating repeating decimal if they are not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n? If the denominator we are not getting 5 and 2 as a factor, then we can say non-terminating decimal. So here we will find the factors of denominator, that is 3125. So now I'll find the factors 3125. Here you can see the digit at one's place is 5, the last digit is 5, so it can be divisible by 5. So 5 is the factor. 5 6 are 30, 1 remaining, 5 2 are 10, 2 remaining, 5 5 are 25. Now again 5 we are having last digit, 5 1s are 5, 1 remaining, 5 2s are 10, 2 remaining, 5 5s are 25, then 5 2s are 10, 2 remaining, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So here we got factors 5. Okay, so 3125 we got 5. How many times? 5 power 5. Now so 3 1 2 5, 13 by 3125. In the place of 3125 we can write 5 power 5. Okay, so it is in the form of 5 power m, so we can say it is terminating decimal. Therefore 13 by 3125, which is rational number. Okay, so we got this in the denominator, so has terminating decimal. Since it is in the form of 5 power m, we can say that it is terminating decimal. Now second one, I have copied here question 11 by 12. Here we have to find the factors of 12. If we are getting the factors in the form of above I have mentioned, okay, the forms, if the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m or 2 power n or 5 power n, then we can say terminating decimal. If not, then non-terminating decimal. Now let us find the factors of 12. 2 6 are, 3 2s are, 2 1s are. So these are factors. Now in the place of 12 we will write the factors 2 power 2 into 3. Okay, 3 we don't want because either it should be in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n or 2 power n. So 11 by 12 is not or non-terminating decimal. Now third one, 64 by 455. Here we have to find the factors of 455. So 455 we will take 5 table, 5 9 the 45, 5 and the 5. Now 91, 2 no, it is not even number. 3 no, 4 no, we cannot. 5 6 also we can't take, then we will take 7. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 2 remaining, 7 3s are 21. Now 13 1s are 13. Now 64 by 455 we got the factors of 455 sorry, 5 into 7 into 13. So we 5, if the denominator is in the form of 5 power n, then we can take it. 7 and 3 is also there, so It is non-terminating repeating decimal. Hence the rational number 64 by 455 is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now for the next one, 15th one, whether the following rational numbers will have terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal. So here for terminating decimal 2 power n into 5 power m we want terminating, and for non-terminating it should not be in the form of this. Okay, now let us find the factors of the denominator, that is 1600. Okay, now the first factor we can take for 1600 is, we will take 2. Okay, 2 is the even number. 2 8s are 16, 0 0, 2 4s are 0 0, 2 2s are 0 0, 2 1s are 0 0, 2 5s are 10 0. Then again it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4 1, 2 5s are, then no, we can't take 2. Here we got 5, sorry, so we can take 5 as a factor. 5 5s are 25. Now again last 5 1s are 5. So these many factors we got. So 15 by 1600 is equals to 15 by, we will write how many times we got 2 as a factor. Okay, 2 power 6, and 5 2 times only we got, 5 square. Now it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then we can say terminating decimal. This rational number has terminating decimal. Has terminating decimal. Now real numbers, same question, just you need to revise it again. Okay, terminating decimal. Now next problem, 29 by 334. So we have to find the factors of 343. So it will be not divisible by 2 3 4 5 6 7. We will take 7 4s are 28, 6 remaining, 7 9s are 63. Now 7 7s are 7 1s are, so we got 7 cube in the denominator. So here only we can say that it is non terminating decimal because it is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Okay, it does not satisfy 3 cases, has or is non-terminating decimal. Repeating decimal. Now here same rational numbers are given, we have to find decimal, terminating decimal or not, non-terminating decimal. So this again you can see this. Okay, now here already it is given in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, but 7 is also there. So by seeing this only we can say that it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. And here only 2 power m into 5 power m, there is no other factor other than 2 and 5. So we can say this 23 by 2 power 2 5 power 2 has terminating decimal because it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Has terminating. Now next problem, 9 by 15. So this are having common factor, that is 3. So we can divide it with the 3. 3 3s are 3 5s are 15. 3 by 5 we got. Now 3 and 5 are co-primes. So here you can see 5 we got. So we can say the denominator is in the form of 5 power m. Therefore it has terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Now next one, 36 by 100. Here directly you can say 100 means like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This all we can express in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Okay, so this, from this we can say that it has terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Now the last one, 100 denominator is 210. So 2 ones are 2. After that 2 digits are there, so that's why I am taking 0 and then I am taking 5. Here 5 is there, so you can take 5 as a factor. 5 2s are 10, 5 ones are 5. Here 21 is there, so 7 3 7, you can take 7 as a factor, and 3 ones are 3. Now these are all factors. 210 we got. In the place of 210 we can write 2 into 5 into 7 into 3. So here you can see that 7 and 3 are also there, so we can say that it has non-terminating repeating decimal. Repeating decimal.